Hello trader, welcome once again to Forex Trade 1. So this is the third video where we will see that how gold has performed using our 20 in 1 trend indicator and support and resistance or supply and demand indicator, which we will just see how it works. So this is the Excel sheet we have already prepared, and this Excel sheet will give you a complete understanding that how we have gained this profit. You can see here the total profit is gained 341, and we will see it live on our market. So first let me just separate the month here. So this is the April month, this is May, so this is April 2019, this is June, and this is July. So as you can see, April to July, and the points that we gained in April, it was 24, in May 74, please verify, and in June 2019 130 points, and then 113. So we will write them down. This is 24 point gain, and then 74, then 74, then 130, and then 113 points gained. These are the gain in points in XAUSD, and net profit is 341 points. Net points gained 341 in gold. So if you trade with just one lot, which is 100 US dollar profit or loss with one lot and with 1 point, then with this 341 points you could gain 34,100 US dollar profit, which is over the capital of 2,500. This is really a huge gain, more than you can say more than 1,200% gain in just 4 months. Using just two simple buy and sell indicator, as you know that all you have to do is simply you have to buy and you have to sell at these points. So here you can get you can see the gain in profit. You can see, you can verify how big trend it is catching up. So you can gain this profit, a huge profit. So basically this indicator will catch the perfect trend, so you will not miss any entry and exit. If you have any further questions, or if you want to trade based on our these two indicators, 20 in 1 indicator and supply and demand, support and resistance indicator, you can ask us here. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.